guys, welcome back to my channel Glamour Vibes. I hope you all are doing great. It's been long since I posted a video and finally here I am. Today's look is going to be a New Year Eve's glam look, which is Glam Smoky Eye. Keep watching till the end to know how I achieved this look. So first, for priming my face before I start my makeup, I'm using the Sheglam's birthday primer and using Sheglam's concealer in the shade Cotton Candy to conceal my eyelid. So for today's eye makeup, I'm using the Docolor Neon 16 color eyeshadow palette. It has really stunning and highly pigmented shades in it. It has 2 brush cleaners, 4 shimmer shades, and the rest are matte shades which are very pigmented and so bright. I really love this palette. As the transition shade, I'm using these 2 shades and mixing them together and applying it on my crease, blending it really well. Now taking this black shade and packing it on the outer corner of my eyes. Now taking a blending brush and blending the brown and the black together so that the black shade doesn't look harsh. As you can see, the 2 shades are mixing well, so keep blending them in circular motions. Now taking the stunning shimmer shade, I really love this shade so much from the palette, and I'm going to apply it on the lid of my eyes. Now going for some extra glitter pop, I'm taking this glitter palette. I bought this palette from Shein app. It was really very cheap and the quality is amazing. It is chunky glitter and it sticks on so easily. Like as you can see, I'm applying it on my lid and it is so beautiful. I'm going to repeat all the shades on my lower lash line as well, taking the black shade and going to blend it well. Taking the same silver shimmer shade from the palette and applying it next to the black. Applied a little mascara, popped some lashes, and this is the final look. So pretty, perfect for New Year's Eve. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more such content. Until next time, bye.